Hello everybody, good evening. In our previous tutorial videos, we have learned how to compile the MQL4-based programs to WebAssembly and how to import WebAssembly to the web browser and how to use the MQL4-based programs on the web browser. It's quite simple for developers, but if you are a common user, a common trader, maybe you will think it's a little bit difficult to understand how it works. So in this tutorial video, we will simplify the process and just guide you how to import the MQL4-based programs into the system. It's quite simple. If you just import the programs into the web browser, it's quite simple, and you don't need to generate anything. Okay, you don't need to do the compilation. So it's quite simple. First of all, you need to prepare a JSON file. If you are a developer and you can know how to generate the JSON file according to our previous tutorial videos. But if you are a common trader, a common user, maybe you will think generating this kind of files will take your time and it may be a little bit complicated. So we prepared a website for common users. This website is a marketplace, so you can find a shop on the website. In this shop, there are a lot of EAs compatible with Fintechy, and they are MQL4-based programs. And they are all compiled, so you can import them straightforward. You don't need to compile them. And some of them are not for free, and you need to pay for them. But most of them are for free, so you can get them without any payment, without any expense. Okay, so if you want to get the MQL4-based EAs, you can access this website and to download the necessary JSON files. Okay, so let's start learning how to import the JSON file into our system. After you sign in to your account, and you need to click EA button on the menu side, and you can see several EAs, and this one and this one are EA loader plugins. One is for EA and the other one is for indicator. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to import EA, so we will use this plugin. Please click the play icon, and then we copy the JSON file and paste into this field and launch this EA, and it's running. Okay, and after it's done, and you can stop it, and this plugin will just load your EA into the system, and the EA loaded is not running yet, so you need to run the new EA. Okay, you can find an EA is loaded. Okay, so now we can run it. Just click the icon button, the play icon, and launch the EA. It's done. And because this EA use moving average and MACD, so you can find two custom indicators are added to the chart. Now it's running. Okay, so it's quite simple, right? Just one step. Import the JSON file into trading platform. It's done. Now you can see a trade is opened. Okay, so it proves and the EA is running. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.